All right, need a charge? If these entrepreneurs have it their way, you might never need to worry about finding a power outlet on the go. Rich DeMuro explains in today's Tech Smart. Sounds good to me. My phone is always on the verge of dying.
Yes.
I don't let mine go beyond like 90%.
That's why you're the tech guy.
I always have to have a full charge. I've got family members that wake up and it's like 5%. I'm like, how do you do that? Like,
That's me.
Me
Can't
too.
do it.
I feel like there's a lot of juice if I see 1%. I'm like, I'm still good.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Well, our phones are everything these days, from our wallet and keys to our camera and maps. A low battery can make some feel worried, but a local startup named ChargeFuse is aiming to make battery anxiety a thing of the past. You know it's happened to you.
I'm on 22%.
A low cell phone battery might make you uneasy.
Well, how do you feel when you're down to 22%?
Bit anxious.
Entrepreneurs Ryan Levy and Brandon Afari have a solution. It's called ChargeFuse, a network of vending machines that rent portable chargers.
And I like how the blue catches your eye. You know that these are charged and ready to go.
The machines are in 40 states and soon internationally.
We're in all kinds of venues, whether it's a restaurant, bar, stadium, shopping center, casino, you name it, we're pretty much there.
We checked out ChargeFuse at the Grand Central Market.
You can come in here and you can feel LA here.
Think food court, but uniquely Los Angeles.
Besides getting the iced matcha and a taco or a slice of pie and a cookie, you can also charge your phone, which is very, very convenient for everybody.
Rental rates start at about $1 for 30 minutes. You can pick up a charger in one location and drop it off in another. The duo came up with the idea in 2018, inspired by Scan and Ride scooters.
At the time, it was difficult because people didn't understand the concept that you could actually take this product with you.
The rental process is easy. Scan a code on screen or use the app to find a location and rent from your phone. Then use one of the built-in charging cables to juice up.
And then to return this, let me see if I can figure this out. Yep. So I'm just gonna pop this in here, return successfully.
ChargeFuse says their system is safer than public charging USB ports. In some ways, it can be more convenient than carrying your own battery pack.
Like, this was your idea, it's come to fruition. How does it feel when you walk into a place and you see your charging?
You know, I will tell you, we've partnered with some of the biggest companies around the country and around the world. The biggest joy, it really is when someone actually rents our service and carries a portable charger with that.
Yeah, you've probably seen these things before. Renting a portable battery is nice because it doesn't tether you to a single location. You can rent it in one place and drop it off somewhere else. Now, if you're concerned, sort of a different topic, about charging at public USB ports, I've got a great interview with a security expert from my weekend radio show. He says, you know what? Go ahead and do it. Most likely you'll be safe. I've got the link to that interview on my website, and more information about ChargeFuse, just go to richontech.tv. But this is the beauty of having an idea and executing it. Oh, where did Ginger go?
Come closer to us, Rich.
But this is the reality. These guys just saw the scooters in 2018 and said, what else can we apply this to? And now they've got these things in so many places.
Incredible.
And then international coming soon.
Quick question.
Great idea.
So I could see in really populated areas where maybe you might get it at an airport or something and then you take it with you because you can you mail it? I mean, is there an option if you can't get to one?
Yeah, what if you want to take it on your plane?
I think that's where you use the app to see, like, okay, I'm flying from New York to LAX. Is there a return at LAX? You know, you got to do a little bit of planning.
Right.
Because you can't just, throw it in the mail. But maybe that's a good idea for them. Give you like a little bag you can.
Yeah, kind of like the old, used to do in Netflix, right?
Yeah.
You just have to return it. But it'll probably be one of those things, I mean, it's a great model.
Yeah.
It really is. You'll probably see it in like CVS stores or,
Like if they get a big retailer on board that it's everywhere. Like that's a good idea. Like a CVS or a Walgreens, anywhere you go, you can return it there.
See, well, let them know I gave them that idea. And
We're full of ideas here.
Consultant over here.
0.5%, that's all I want. Rich, always good to see you, and happy Monday to you.
Thank you. Welcome back, by the way.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.